so we'll go up. Alright guys, so we're at the Cineplex to watch a movie. We have my sister behind the camera.
So that good.
Let's go.
So that good. Should I go get them?
And go.
No, I don't think you're filming it.
Alright guys, we're at the Cineplex.
The best duo.
Okay, introduce yourself.
Oh, my name is DK.
My name is TKJYFK from the O.
Block.
Let's-
Yeah.
Alright guys, this is the active vlog, but if I move this way, I'm gonna follow from this. So if I move this way, it goes in this. And I'm gonna film a haul of like a PR package. Yeah, I think it's a PR package. This brand sent me, it's called Centella. They sent me product. For this product, I have to film a review. Yeah, well, it's not like sponsored on YouTube, it's not sponsored on TikTok. Hey guys, I'm back and I'm about to film a haul for this brand because they sent me a package, so I'm just gonna like unbox the package on YouTube and then post a video on TikTok of me doing a review for this product. And the first one I'm gonna unbox is this one, the double cleansing duo. It's made with pure centella from Madagascar, and then it comes with in this and I'm really excited about these two products because I see a lot of reviews on it. And also because I ran out of like cleanser. Yeah, I ran out of cleanser for my face, so I'm so happy that I got this too. And I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm loud enough. And if you hear any noise in the background, it's because my sisters are talking. This is the first one. This is the cleanser. It's the Centella Madagascar Ampoule Foam. This is the light cleansing oil. This you're meant to use both of them together. They're like a duo. Oh, and again they have like the next one I'm gonna open is the Centella Tone Brightening Ampoule. I already had this before. Really cool. I like this white balls and the texture on the face too. And I think this is meant to help to brighten your skin because it's basically tone brightening. It has niacinamide in it and it helps with dark spots. The tea recalcitrant sun milk. I think it's a sunscreen. Basically like this one. And I'm gonna be trying this out too. And the next one is this one. I also have these. This is the eye cream. Yeah, it's this and I have this already too. I love this because the applicator is so nice. It's so good. And it's like so satisfying. And the next one is this Promising Quick Clay Stick Mask. I have this also. I used it before and I posted on my like a review for this and it's so nice too. It's basically like a mask, like a clay stick mask, but you this you apply it on your face and then you let it dry and you rinse it up or you clean it with a towel. And the last one is this cream. Oh, it has an applicator. Oh my god, this is so cute. Like the color is so nice. Like I just love the quality of this. And then yeah, so that's all for this video. For this haul, I mean